Okay, I'm back and I've got a few things kind of prepped here. This is the little circle, kind of like a Christmas decoration that I'm working on, but I'll probably use it in a scrapbook. Anyway, I really like the way this turned out. I did put some little glitter on her, and I've got some little bit of blue, kind of lacy stuff behind it. And so I'm going to put that down on there and then start on something else. Some of this Fabri-Tac on there. And I had put some of this snow stuff on there. It's kind of dimensional that my mom gave me some of that last year. And I had never really, I don't think I used it, so I've seen where she uses it and it works really good and it dries and it doesn't flake off. So anyway, I was gonna put that lady on there and she's so cute. I just love that picture. And then on the back side, I had cut out this because I took some of these Tim Holtz ephemera and I wanted to I made copies of them because I want to use them over and over again. So anyway, this was kind of pretty on the back of this because I just cut this out of something that I recycled. And so I thought I could put this on the back. Let me make sure. There, that'll work. Let me get something to kind of go over that though, because it still shows that stuff on the back. I don't like that. Let's see if I have some cute little, this'll work. Yeah, that'd work. Okay, cut that. Let's see, it's still not quite big enough though. What about this piece? Yeah, that's better. So what I'll do is turn it over and trace it. And then I'll cut it out. I love making this stuff. It's just so much fun to me. I hope I'm in frame. Anyway, cut this out and then we'll get that glued on there and I'll show you something else. I'm trying to hurry up and kind of prep my stuff ahead of time so it doesn't take me so long to get everything done. So put that on there like that, and then we can put this on here. Or we could even make it into a little pocket. Let's see. Okay. And I mean, this very well could be just glued down on a junk journal. You wouldn't even have to fix the back up, you know. You just need to make sure that you're getting it. The problem is the center of this. Oh my goodness. That kind of glued already. So is that the center? Not really. So I've got to go off that little, there, that'll work. And then this, I can just kind of stick it right up like that. We'll just do that. Anyway, that works pretty good. That turned out really cute. This stuff hasn't quite dried on the front, so it is kind of coming off a little bit, but once it dries really good, it doesn't come off. So that turned out really cute, and I'll put something down here to hide that little bit of, you know, something, I don't know yet what. But let's go on to this next little project I was working on. This was that little tag that I told you I got off of something I bought. So what I decided to do is I want to keep it together like that because I think it looks cute. I'm going to use it in my pink. Get my fingers cleaned off a little bit. Huh. I want to use it in my little pink and blue book, Christmas book that I'm working on. So I had got some little small Christmas pictures that I think are so cute. And I'm just going to stick them down on there. Pull this in a little bit. Oh, goodness. Hit the camera. And then on the other side, I'm going to put this Santa Claus on there. Be cute. Oh, there we are. I love making these little small pictures up. You can do so much with them. I do lots of embellishing with that. There we go. That's so cute. Just darling. And then on this one, cover up the little coal sign and got some gauze here. And some Tim Holtz paper dolls. And a little bit of, it's not really eyelash trim, but it's some kind of little pink trim that I had. I thought it would look cute kind of underneath because it kind of picks up the color. And then I'll put these little girls down here on this. I bought some of the Christmas Tim Holtz. You know, they're not really just Christmas. They're kind of more just that, you know, wintry look. And then on the top part of this right here, I thought about just putting a button. What happened to that button I had? A button up here. With this little bit of doily. Or this part of a piece of lace or something. I think it's a doily really. And then this little button. And see, it even has that little crown on the top. I just think that's so cute. I mean, when I seen this, I thought, oh, you can do something with this. See how that turned out so darling? And then on the back side, I think, you know, I'm going to cover that up a little bit. I think I haven't decided what I'm going to put over it, but, you know, even that would look cute. Just put that Merry Christmas right there. So I think that's what I'll do. Merry Christmas. Cover that up. I'll leave the crown again. And see, I made a double tag and just kept this. Probably, I've had this for a couple years, I know. But I knew I was going to do something with it. So that's going to look really cute in my book. What do y'all think? I think it is. All right. The next thing I was going to work on is, you know what I was going to do with that circle thing? I was going to put some of these little snowflakes on there too. I thought that would be pretty on there. Put some snowflake stickers on there. But I don't know if I'm going to have to glue that on there, so I don't know if they'll stick or not. I'm going to stick them on here. Oh, goodness. I just kind of thought that kind of add a little blingy, more blingy to it. One more. This girl is going on a it says on the back, she's going to a Christmas party. So I thought that was so cute. Looks like she's going to some kind of party, doesn't it? It's just so cute. And I'll get some real pretty lace and put up there to to hold it. All right, well, here's another little thing. I've got this little white bag, and this is probably like a little party bag. And I've already distressed the sides of it. And I was going to do this. I have this really neat kind of lodgy Christmas paper in this picture. And it looks like these people are ice skating. And this is actually ski lodge. So I said that's pretty good, you know, they could be at a ski lodge. I don't know why I have to always make things into a story, but I don't know. When I'm making stuff, it just sounds, it's just, I don't know, something kind of interesting to me. I always think of, you know, scenarios and stuff like that. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I do. I try to make like little scenes or something. I don't always do that, but sometimes I do. But I'm gonna make this kind of like a little, you can either put it inside of a pocket or, you know, 2 pages. You can stick it in the signature right here. So, you know, there's several little different things you could do with it. I've got to distress this paper a little bit. And let's get this glue here. These little things are so cute to make up too. I love doing these. I think it's fun to kind of put stuff together like this. And then on this side, I was trying to decide if I wanted to do that color or this one or that. And on the inside, I can do both the blacks. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, that looks good. So let's put this, oh, first I gotta distress it. Okay, go like that, yeah. I'm going to leave a section at the top because you can make little pockets, you know, within a pocket, you know, like this is gonna be a pocket here, but you can make a pocket at the top too, or on the sides. So sometimes I do that. These I'm gonna make little extra pockets too. Let's see. That is so cute. I love this paper right here. I think that's just darling. You know, something you would see out in the woods, or if you were going to a ski lodge. Okay, I have added a ribbon to this, and see, isn't that cute? I'm not for sure if I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it this way, because this bag is a little bit crooked for some reason on the back side of it. You know, you never know about stuff like that sometimes. So I'm gonna add this little embellishment to it. I'll sparkle some little pretty poinsettias and mistletoe, the bottom down there, and then I'm gonna glue down these little sides here. You can use stick glue. A lot of times I do that, but I thought I'd try this glue and see how it worked. But I always try to glue down these little folds, the little flaps down, because you don't want them flopping around. So just take a little that glue and stick in there and glue it all down. These are so cute though. I just think these are really neat little things you can do with bags. And I mean, there's so many different things you can do, but this is just one idea. But see how that turned out so cute? I'm probably gonna trim some of that ribbon off. And then well, this is just what I've been working on, and I just wanted to tell all y'all, thank y'all for watching and for hanging out with me while I craft. And I really had a great time doing all these, and it's always fun to work on your embellishments. And I can't wait to get all my books together. So thank y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed day.